What's up gamers, here's how to solve the LIONCREST Manor STRONGBOX puzzle in Crimson Desert. Of all the puzzles I've encountered so far, this one would probably be the easiest. But first you're gonna need a mask, which you can buy from Grimrack, the back alley shop southeast of Herndontown. Once you have acquired a mask, proceed to LIONCREST Manor on the northwest side of town. If you've arrived from the main road, go to the right side of the building, past the archery arena. You can see an open window on mine, climb up it, open it if it's closed on your end, and get inside. You'll be in a room. Walk to the center of the room, turn to your left and you'll find a door. Go through it, turn left again and you'll find the strongbox. Interact with it to start the puzzle. Now this one's pretty simple, there's not much to explain. You just have to turn the panels until you get the reference picture shown on the right side of my screen. There's no penalty if you're gonna do this in whatever order. After you fit the puzzle pieces correctly, the strongbox will unlock. Open it, equip your mask, and steal the engraved gold earring from inside, which provides a move speed stat bonus and 1 point of defense. And that's pretty much it. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert tutorials. Thanks for tuning in.